Sharing nǹkan tèmi come to realize nípa life yìí ni pé tó bá jẹ́ aburú ló mọ̀ ṣe ló ń ṣe fáwọn èèyàn máa ṣe tó bá ń bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ tán kọ́kọ́ lè sọ ìgbà kan máa wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa decide láti sọ kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ rere náà ló ń ṣe fáwọn èèyàn máa sọ wọ́n sọ lójú àwọn máa sọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ rántí track yìí gbẹ̀dú tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀yọ̀pádé make we dance ẹ máa sọ pé àwọn wà bí ajá sí gbọ́ ọmọ ìyá pa nínú endorsement ní Òṣùpá tó ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn I2 Boiz. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí Òṣùpá ṣe fún àwọn people yìí kó tó di pọ́n rìkọ́dù tracking ìgbà tán rìkọ́dù ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àti ìgbà tán rìkọ́dù ẹ̀ tán. Ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Àkọ́tì ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fídíò yìí kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí màá yìí sọ. Ẹ like ẹ bá mi comment ẹ share.
He did maybe just short meeting with Afisco. Not that one. This guy said they like Saheed Osupa, they want to feature him. And so now said he should bring us. So after I said, what do we have for Saheed Osupa? Now said we have one song and we have one hip hop track. Now said we should sing it. Now said, Bedu Tishele, for your party make we dance. Tó bá sọ pa òun wa ó yá já sí pọ ọmọ yá pàṣẹ Saheed Osupa with the high boys to let them àló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kọyọ party make we dance. That was how we composed that chorus. Tó bá sọ pa òun wa a ní kó já sí pọ ọmọ yá pàṣẹ sí Saheed with the high boys to navigate the show. That was how we did the song. But he not said he liked the song, so he said Osupa is coming very soon, that we should wait. We were shaking that Osupa is coming here. Yeah, Osupa is coming here. Okay. Within 30 minutes, Osupa just enter. Boom, bam. We were shocked that see Osupa, you don't know us. See Osupa, Sauba, our voice here, now but we know that Osupa can sing very well. That whenever someone want to take to him, you must compose it very well. I'm now like him, okay, go swallow. And never about me. I don't okay, let me hear the song. I said, Bedu Tishele, your party make we dance. Toba Sopa, oh yeah, just a more Saheed Osupa with the high boys too. So as I sing the song, and I said, I like the song. Oh yeah, can you put this thing? No me guru. So you know inside the song we said, Saheed Osupa with the high boys too. Let them say, now we get the show. That was how, and I look at my partner that this guy can sing. Can you see how he's fixing the song that we have already composed over some years? We now navigate the show. So after that, we now say see Saheed with the high boys to navigate the show. He said, can we put something like Omigboro? Sanami Migboro. I said, okay. I said, see Saheed with the high boys to Lomigboro. We now look at ourselves that so nobody is perfect in composition. No. See how this guy fixed in his own pattern. So that thing now fixed well. He now say, keep on him, keep it. But if I was to do my pay. So now prostrated to him that about thank you. He now counted money he gave us. And I said, where you guys come from? I said, we are from Ogun State, but we used to stay with Atoriche, go Ogun State, come by that. Atoriche was the one that bought us. I said, no Allah. So from there, he started singing. That was first time I heard this thing from him that ṣe bá àná lè yí o àwa máa lè yí o ṣe bọ́jọ́ ẹbí àná máa rè o àwa máa tá à ń forí rọ pé ká lè là. That was first time I heard that kind of song from him. Tàwọn sáré pé kó lè dá tàwọn kan sáré pé kó bàjẹ́ o. I was looking at him ṣe bọ́ lọ́run lójú wọn lọ wá ní adúgbò pé bá tún ní dá ṣe ti rò kọ́ lórí bí ká èèyàn ṣe ìfọkàn sí kan mọ́kànlélẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan ní ṣùgbọ́n mo ti wáyé iná mo sì gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ń re mo wáyé iná mo sì gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe tẹ bá bí mí kí ni ìdí ẹ̀ ti ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ń re mo wáyé iná mo sì máa láyé tẹ́sán ò jẹ́ ní irú díẹ̀ ń jẹ́ mo gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ń re mo wáyé iná everybody we looking at him that see voice mo súnmọ́ lọ́hùn lọ́nà tó pọ̀ gan ló fi jẹ́ wípé mo sì gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ó ṣoore mo dúpọ̀ oore ọlọ́run mi ló fi jẹ́ wípé mo ṣe àtúntò was looking at him like this. He now said a ti ń kọrin ti pẹ́ o à ń kọrin ti pẹ́ tẹ báńkì èsì tọmọdé mo ní inú ẹ̀ fi ṣọ́ ọgbọ́n tọwọn àgbààgbà ń fi sọ̀rọ̀ ìṣítí tọ́ bá wá sọ̀rọ̀ fọ̀rọ̀ jómi tó ọ̀rọ̀ wọn nílò gbóṣùpá òun kọ pé ìtìpìtì orin àtúnṣe was looking at him that Baba you are good though. And I was looking at him that evangelist so when I was Baba what's the head to go? So that was how we finished the meeting. So we now left. We now proceeded for authority. Thank you sir. So we now go back home. So that time we now told the I want to go back to Ijebu, want to go and see our parents. So after that authority maybe travel to UK. So let's say a week to the studio. We been disturbing each other on phone. No, we don't have phone that time. We just wrote his number down. So we were calling him on that landline. Now I best don't worry, we'll do the song. So the day we want to do the song at Clink Studio, it's now sent to us that we should come. We met in the studio, we do the song. So he said we should come to his house. When we now got to his house, my friend now told me that Saheed Osupa is a great singer, he can sing very well. And I asked my friend that we have done the chorus, how are we going to fix the verse? He said, don't do any verse for Saheed, he will not take it to Osupa will do his verse by himself. We now do one small verse, say, see Saheed, now we get the just say, Osupa, no. My friend said, he will not take it. So when we got to his office at Surulere, he was sleeping. We now knock, he said we should enter. So I will last all go what we share. And I was so, Baba, I'm also doing next week. I said, okay, Baba. So I asked him, Baba, what of we only did the chorus now. What of the verse? He said, verse. Okay, we have been singing the chorus. He slept. Kì í ṣe post lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ òbí kí yóò máa sọ̀rọ̀ kó wá ìṣàbọ̀lẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ìbò yẹn kí yóò máa ó yà máa kọ́ àkọ́kọ́ gbèdú ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kọ̀yọ̀ pàdé make we dance tọ́ba sọ́pà òun wa ó yá já ó dẹ̀ tó sùn lọ ó yá já sí pé ọmọ yá pàṣẹ Saheed Osupa kò jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ó dẹ̀ sùn lọ sórí iṣẹ́ abẹ with the high boys to navigate the show. I was tapping my friend that I slept off like what happened. My friend said don't worry he went to go and look for song. That was what my friend told me. And I said see and it was one of those catch here ó ti sùn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ adekọrin lọ see King of Music with the high boys to lomi igboro adekọrin lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Immediately I told my friend that this man is sleeping. I did not say that. He just say ẹ bá kọ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ lajú bí ẹ bá kọ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n rò gbàgbà okay ó ti yé mi. Lọ́dún tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀yọ̀ pa dí mi kúdà. You now just wake up. Ó kọ̀ sí báyìí. La 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 o la 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 la. I look at my friend. He say I want this too. Onítùn tó ń fẹ́ nílé mo wá wò rẹ̀ ń báyìí ó wá ní onítùn tó ń fẹ́ òun fẹ́ kó dàbí pé mo ti dé bí mo ṣe ń dé o Osupa Saheed mi mo dé bí mo ṣe ń dé Osupa Saheed ẹ ti mọ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ bá a ṣe fẹ́ lo pátá pé àwọn àbáwọ̀ fẹ́ wọlé pé yá bí mo kọ́ fújì ní nínú rẹ̀ má gbé yẹn wá ọmọ yẹn báyìí pé don't worry ọmọ akọkìnrin kan ní ìbílíkì kó fẹ́ fi kọrin wà ní torí mi ìbílíkì kọ̀ǹbílíkì kìǹbílíkì kìǹkọ̀ǹbílíkì ṣáǹbílíkì o ní pé mi kì í rọ̀ ṣá ṣáǹbí wá wù mi kì í rọ̀ ṣá pé torí mi ìbílíkì kọ̀ǹbílíkì kìǹbílíkì kìǹkọ̀ǹbílíkì pé tí mo sọ ni pé mi kọ́ ṣáǹbílíkì o ní pé mi kì í rọ̀ ṣá mo wá wù pé yé. This is the first time that we'll be composing for somebody that will not request for verse. Because when we do songs for somebody, we think that the knowledge that we used to do the chorus must not different from the verse. So we now carry our verse with that person because if you tell that person to go and do verse, he might do something that is not similar to that chorus. You understand? Saheed Osupa now did something that even matched the chorus. And I look at my friend and say, this guy in no. You now say about second verse. Say don't worry, they don't want to sing. That when we get to studio, we continue the second verse. Say we should go and do our own parts. Wow. He gave us one that day. He just go back to Ijebu Day back. So after 2 weeks, he now called us to studio. When we got to the studio, we are doing our own verse. He now started doing the second verse. It's getting ready, better get steady. I make you busy where you less busy. Timbalaka kilumbaka, baskelele kumaso ponle. Iwo gboro won la mi go won la mi o ti wa ye mi báyìí. That was how we did the endorsement. So after the song, they put the song in our fiscal now, compile everything together. They now release the endorsement 3 in 1. That was how the song now flew everywhere. But that time, Atorise wasn't in Nigeria; it was in America. Wow. So we now bought the song in America. You see, yeah, that was the reason why I never forget that interview by Atorise because it really traveled in my life. I can't lie. He was the one giving us money, buying clothes. Nobody have ever done that. God sent it to me, sent him to me that time. The divine angel, he helped us. So that was how the song now went viral, over 10 million copies. So when the song now came out, we now stay permanently in Lagos. So we still see that Atorise. Go to Atorise, maybe just travel it to Saheed Osupa, Saheed Osupa. So the shop now rented apartment for us in K2. Wow. So we never even know that song have gone further than that. One day, me and my friend now maybe want to go and buy something. You know, all those people that sell local, that sell Fuji something, they will pay everything. That was how they sold. They said they don't have boys too. High boys too. We need that around. So I was yeah. Oh, we don't say no work out. So wow. From there, when the want to do show, we call us, we sing with him on stage, do everything with him. So after that, so me and my group we now split it. I did on my own. So I need to I didn't say Fuji. So I have to do my own hip hop song to let people know that apart from Fuji stuff that we did to Saheed Osupa, I can say do hip hop. So that was my first promo that then when I left the group was Cry No More, shot by Matt Mas.